the midst of life that never truly stands still. Every day, millions of prayers and hopes are expressed by people who work tirelessly to provide a living for their families who are faithfully waiting for them. Under undesirable circumstances, illness can throw our lives off course. People used to be reluctant to seek out medical treatment when they fell ill. The unpredictable cost of medical care could be deeply unsettling. They often found themselves torn between seeking medical care and bearing their circumstances, creating a real dilemma. The government therefore established BPJS Kesehatan as the agency responsible for delivering the National Health Insurance Program, with the objective of providing protection and security for each and every Indonesian citizen.
Selamat pagi, Pak.
Pagi.
This is in line with the President's Astat-Sita vision, which seeks to strengthen human capital development and ensure equitable public services for all Indonesians. We move forward from one era to the next. We grow through change, learning, and constantly adapting to keep up with the times. We are at the front line in providing health insurance coverage for all social segments, leaving no one behind. We are committed to ensure that all Indonesians are able to access healthcare services, regardless of time and place. We will continue to build partnerships, improve systems, and expand access to services to ensure that the benefits of the JKN program reach communities across the country, regardless of location. Through the mission we carry out every day, we ensure responsive services, integrated systems, and strong teamwork to deliver the best possible outcomes for the community. We continue to move forward with the values we uphold in delivering meaningful benefits to society. Today, we are growing alongside millions of national health insurance beneficiaries. As the number of beneficiaries continues to grow, we improve access to healthcare services through advanced technological innovations, making them more efficient and more accessible. At the heart of this journey lies the trust and satisfaction we continue to uphold alongside the growing utilization of services across various healthcare facilities. We are here to ensure that every step of process is carried out with certainty. From initial health screenings, referrals, to the advanced healthcare services required. Our commitment is to create a sense of comfort and confidence throughout the process so that the benefits of health insurance can be fully experienced by all those in need. This journey is far from over. We remain committed to continuous improvement across all areas, driving sustainable innovation and delivering meaningful achievements for you and the people of Indonesia. We will continue to move forward alongside all Indonesians, protecting and ensuring that every step of life remains safeguarded.
BPJS Kesehatan will continue to work tirelessly to build a national health insurance system that is strong, high quality, and sustainable. We believe that every step we take today is an investment for the future of our nation.
Through professional, transparent, and accountable oversight, we ensure that every step taken remains on the right path for the greatest benefit of the people of Indonesia.